Hey there, I have a video for you of my empty new house. So we are super excited about our new house that we just purchased. We have completely moved in, but we definitely don't have everything where it should be. So definitely can't do a video of just a regular house tour. So it's gonna be an empty house tour. A lot of the carpet is gonna be removed and the paint is gonna be changed. So in several rooms, there's like a hunter green carpet with yellow walls, which is like, no. So we're gonna be changing those, so just keep that in mind. And you know, we'll have definitely a few projects to do around here, some painting here and there and getting some things fixed. But I hope you enjoy our empty house tour and I will talk to you soon. Bye. So here is the front door. So coming in the front door is basically this kind of wall here. But then over to the right, we have a formal living room, which goes into the formal dining room. And then the kitchen is this way, but I'll go around the other way so you can see that. So we're back here in the front entryway, and straight ahead, this is gonna be probably my office. You can see me there. So an office, not a huge, well, it's a good size room, I would say. And then here is a half bath. So it's just a half bath, nothing else in there. And then across the way, I love this leopard cheetah, whatever it is, print that goes upstairs. We'll go there in just a minute. But straight through is the kitchen. So we have the kitchen, and then refrigerator, and over right here, that's the oven and the microwave. On the opposite wall, we have storage, a little buffet maybe. And then here we have a desk. And then here is the little laundry room, which is a pretty good size laundry room. And then here, kind of just a little eat-in type of area. That's the main bedroom there. Go out to the backyard here. And going into the main bedroom. It's a pretty big room. I think just this room alone is like 300 square feet, I think. So it's a pretty big room. And then this again goes out to the backyard. So there are three ways. So here, what I just showed you a second ago, and then on the other side over there, and I'll show you where that is. Then here is the bathroom, which I'm super excited because it's a nice big bathroom with two closets. So here we have the shower, and then vanity number one, and a pretty big closet here. So lots of room there. Then across from this vanity is the tub, which I'm super excited about, to have a separate tub and shower. And then that is the toilet in there. And then just straight ahead is vanity number two, and then another closet. Okay, so I'm back out at the kitchen, as you can see, and I'm just going to walk straight through here. The air conditioner is pretty loud, but that's all right. Through the kitchen, take a left, and this is the, I don't know, I guess you'd call it a den. So it's a pretty big room. This is where we'll have this will be our living room, basically. And that's a closet right there. And then we didn't see this when we were looking at the house, but that's a water hookup there. So I guess maybe it was a wet bar or something, which is interesting. We won't have that, but. And then there's the other entrance exit over to the backyard. We really do like this brick rock wall. I think it's really pretty. Leaving out of here, you can see the buffet there again. This is the kitchen. And then through here is where we kind of started the formal dining room and formal living room. All right, so we're back at the front entry. So we're gonna go up the steps. Okay, so once we're up here is the bathroom. So there's one bathroom, very bright pink color, but that can be changed easily. And then to the right is the first bedroom up here. And it's kind of interesting because it's so long. Like it's a really long bedroom. There is a closet here. So a really big closet there. And then there is another closet there. So another big closet. And then leaving out of this room, so there to the right is that first bathroom. And then there's a second bathroom, and this one is bright blue. And it overlooks the backyard there. And then we'll go into this bedroom. Here's the second. We need to simple with the carpet, but there are lots of stains on it, unfortunately. But here's the second bedroom upstairs. This is probably the smallest of all the rooms, but it has a really big closet. So that's cool. And then leaving out of this bedroom, going to the third bedroom up here. And I'm not sure which is the biggest between this first one I showed you and this one, but this one's pretty big. They're just shaped really differently. And there is another really big closet. Something that we think is really cool. I mean, this was probably put in when the house was built, like in the 70s, is this little intercom that you can talk to the people downstairs. So we really haven't tried it out, but I think it does work, which is pretty cool. And you can see these in a lot of the rooms. And back downstairs.